Oh! I did not notice that. Oh, this thing is awesome. Oh, also I did not notice that I was making a video. Yo! Stop liking it! So, this is the PS5 Pro. Don't you dare lick it. So, I'm going to show you unboxing this. How do I open this? Just rip it open. That's easy. No. I feel like this is the second box. No. Wait. Okay, so you know that this is the PS5 Pro. Now I'll start unboxing this. Bro! This thing is seriously disgusting. This thing has dust on it. If you lick dust, then you are poisoned. Not kidding, you will actually get poisoned. No way! This is the actual real PS5 Pro! I feel like that is piano black metal. And seriously?
Can you show all the ports?
So, this is one port. We are going to do something. Oh, okay. I got something. You're supposed to do something right here. Yep, okay. We are supposed to do something right here. We have to somehow just push this. Or maybe just push it up.
Wait.
Okay, I'm sure there's supposed to be a controller. We don't need the controller because we already have a lot of controllers. Yep. We have the controller. No way, this is brand new. This is the newest controller I ever have. And I have many of the same controller. But, yep, this thing works. But still.
What else is in there?
Like these wires.
It's a power cable.
Yeah, there are many.
And the HDMI cable. And the USB-C cable.
There's something weird. What is the weird thing?
Oh, I think...
Wait. This is actual... Oh, okay. So this is something. So what is this?
Oh, I think those are like the horizontal stand.
So do we put this like...
Oh yeah, you figured it out? That's cool.
So these are like stands? Awesome. This actually looks kind of ugly this way because look how it looks like with the stands.
You like it like that?
It looks kind of ugly, you know. Okay. But still, put this. I can see this dead. Guys, this guy is dead. He has been in most of my videos right now. But still, let's start. Hi, this is Karen's action. This is actually my video. We already told them what we are. Now can you stop doing your weird moves? So guys, this is not second PS5 Pro. Inside this box, we have a disk drive because like the PS5 Pro does not come with a disc, and usually we have a PS5, but the PS5 requires disc games, and we also have like a million more disc games. So usually, since we have a lot of more disc games, we got this disc drive so we can use it. So like, you know, this one is going to be this. Yeah. We are going to replace this with this. Now, how do we take this off? Guys, so this is a piece of the PS5 Pro. We don't need this. We are actually not going to use this because like we have to use the disk drive, you know. Don't tell me if I broke this because I did not break this. I did not even break this at all. I actually did not break that. Just if you think I broke it, tell me in the comments. But I did not break it because like, you know, in many other videos, you know that they put on the disk drive because like they have 1,000,000 discs.
Here.
But it is not attaching.
Yeah.
Somehow it is still loose.
No, we just need to put this cover on top of it.
So now guys, just don't, so this is the disk drive plate and this is the normal plate. The reason why the disk drive plate and the normal plate is the disk drive plate is bigger and the disk drive plate has a hole. So yeah, we are using so once again we are using the disk drive so we can use this and so we can use our games that we had for the PS5s. Oh, damn. Is that a left? Is that? There's something right here.
Hey, wait. I think that's for the button.
You mean like this is a button?
Yeah.
Oh, you're right. That's the button. Okay, then. This thing is still going to be loose after all. So first I just... We are doing the opposite. What? Oh, okay. Push! Okay, guys. Right now, I'm having a problem. Oh my gosh. Oh my... No.
Did he get into that box, Devta?
You are like the PS5 Pro.
That is so funny.
No, it's not. Hey, Superstar, yeah. I'm doing the too, Daddy, I'm riding a cyber truck.
You are in a cyber truck? Yeah.
Okay, so now guys, we are going to, on the PS5 Pro. So I know how to use the PS5. So that means that I know how to use this. Because like the PS5 is this, but a Pro version. And this is the Pro version. Oh, then let's start. This thing perfectly works. Awesome.
But now that when we turn it on, it will get better.
Awesome. You see, the PlayStation sign is on the TV. Oh yeah, this is awesome. Awesome. Okay. Now let's. Yep. Wow. So guys, we did it. Now what's next is. Who's my bag? What did I do? This thing is fully black now.
Yeah.
What do we do?
Yeah, I agree. Yeah, confirm. Yeah. Let's do the update.
Oh.
Oh, David, did you fall down?
So guys, this is a disc. So what we're going to do with this disc is like on my PS5, we use these discs for games. So I'm going to put this disc inside the disk drive. So the disk drive will get the game on that list. You can see that we have the game Astro's Playroom. So that was downloaded free, but still we are going to put this inside there so we can play this game. Now, let's start. Somehow, I'm not pushing in. Move.
Yeah.
So guys, we are having some issues on the PS5. So since we are having issues, now we might have to do something to stop the issues. But the problem is we have to play with not the game which we added to the disc. Like we have to play the game which we got free.
I am them, and tomorrow I am going to play with toys.
But anyway, let's start. Update now.
Maybe cancel, update later.
Update later. Now guys, anyway, the disc.
Oh, it's not letting you play it at all? Yeah. Do cancel and do play game. Do update later. Oh, I think it's starting.
Let's do this.
Let's do this.
This is
Let's do that.
a ginormous place right now. Let's
Let's in the man.
That is me, Astro. Now, let's start with the beach. I love the beach. Start. We are going to do some more videos of the PS5 Pro, and we are going to do some video gaming videos, and we might also do some video gaming videos with the PS5 Pro. So bye, see you next video.